just everything. You guys is like a one-stop shop, and a lot, like I said earlier, not a lot of softwares have the CRM feature with it. So to get, a software to be able to, prepare taxes, but also have a CRM to help you streamline those tax processes is very convenient. So I highly recommend you guys. I would continue recommending you guys. You guys definitely have a good thing. This is actually my first year with you guys.
Awesome.
I started last year last season. But I loved it. I was really searching for the right software, something that, kind of fit all my needs. And I love your CRM feature. So that's like, the
That's
go-to right there. Not a lot of softwares, have the CRM feature with it. So yeah, I
awesome.
was using another service bureau, and it was well. It had the mobile app and stuff. I needed something because I'm a virtual service. I wanted something where I can like communicate with my clients efficiently, but also be able to, have them sign electronically because I service all 50 states. So I don't just do Connecticut in my community, but I needed something where I can, kind of extend it to different states as well. So yeah, I really needed something where I can, provide my virtual services, if that makes sense.
One of the things that we did is we make sure on our mobile link that it was a web-based versus an app, because when it comes to apps, there are a lot of hiccups that can come with it.
Mhm.
Um, Such, some people don't have enough space on their phone to download an app. It could be an old phone, or some people just don't know how to work it properly, right?
Mhm.
Being able to have a link though, on a web base, anybody can access it and anybody can do it at any time. Um,
Mhm.
did you utilize that feature that we had?
Oh, definitely.
Okay.
That definitely helped streamline my tax preparation process. It was a link that I can embed in my website where I can say, ready to file, click here, and all they had to do was enter in their information, or just send it through a text message. Like with your text messaging feature, is awesome because I can connect with all my clients at the same time and send a blast message rather than individually texting people. So the link, onboarding link, is definitely helpful.
What made you choose us? I'm pretty sure you're getting calls and hit up from all the places. You kind of just peeked your head to look in.
Yeah. um, it was really the education too, because you guys offer a lot of trainings for tax professionals as far as how to work the CRM, how to work the software. The other service bureau I was with, kind of just, I signed up and I was kind of like on my own, especially when you're new, as a business owner and tax preparation and, utilizing a software, you kind of need that mentorship or training to say, hey, like this is how you do things rather than you just purchase something and just be like, all right, figure it out on your own. So I really like the trainings that you guys do, and you're very consistent with it too, constantly sending emails. You have the support group, where we can just hop on Zoom and say, hey, we're having trouble with something. So that is very convenient, especially, as the tax season can get very busy. And if you're having troubles with the software, I want to be able to contact somebody right away and ask for support rather than having to, like, what do I do? So
How was the experience with the Zoom support?
it was good. Every time I didn't have much problems this season, thankfully, with the software. But if I did, I, would jump on the Zoom and someone will assist me. They will give me, the answers I needed. And they helped me all the way through the process. It wasn't like, okay, well, we'll figure it out and we'll let you know. No, it was, they made sure that it was resolved.
What features would you say helped you quite a bit? Oh,
For the CRM, I would definitely say the mobile link. That was very helpful, in the text messaging feature. Those were the two that I used the most within the CRM. Um, yeah, and I do a lot of my marketing on the CRM too, like, reminders, or even when it's close to the tax season, sending out those blast emails. That really came in handy.
we have a lot of customers that always tell, rave about us. To be
Mhm.
completely honest, when we started the CRM, when we started this process, it was never to sell. It was something we did for ourselves, to
Mhm.
maintain our own company. Uh,
Mhm.
but throughout, a lot of people that in the industry, colleagues and stuff, um, once they saw it, they're like, we have to have it. They saw the potential of it. So that's kind of what pushed us as well,
Mhm.
to put it out there, and to push it the way we do. And we get a lot of times, we get a lot of customers that always, tell us that we're doing that push us. Did you take advantage of the referral program, the advanced program, holiday?
I did the referral program. I loved it. It was great feature. I didn't use it as much, which this year or the next tax season coming up, my goal is to use it more. I kind of wanted to get a feel of it first before I go all in on it. But I did have clients that definitely, took advantage of it, and it was quick process. The direct deposit went into their account right away. I had one client that did it like 4 times. So he loved it. He's like, hold on, I got this person, that person. So people are definitely interested in it. But this year, for this tax season, my goal is to definitely push that more. Just the experience with TaxShield in itself, especially coming out, and like I said earlier, I was working under somebody, so I didn't have my own software to work with. So having the support from your team, Zach, and just the trainings that you guys do, especially as a new person, starting out. That's a fear for new people, especially getting into a software. Just having the support from your team really helped push me. You know what I mean? I didn't feel stuck. Like I said, when you feel stuck, some people give up, so being able to have that support when I need it, any problems I have, I can call on somebody, I can text somebody, I can, that was very helpful. So anybody who's starting out, or maybe who already started out and have a big, business so far, it doesn't matter. TaxShield will make sure that they see you through all the way, so that's my
That is
recommendation.
awesome. I mean, I really do appreciate you for hopping on here and telling everybody your experience with us. Is there any last words that you want to partake with us?
No, just thank you, and I look forward to continuing services with you guys.
That is awesome. Thank you
Mhm.
very much. I really appreciate your time, and
Absolutely.
see you again. You have a
Yeah, see you again.